Hello everyone, welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Guys, I got some happy mail from an admin in a group that I belong to on Facebook. The name of the group is Made by You, and I'm going to go ahead and put the link in the description box. Maybe you guys want to head out there and see if you like the group and possibly join. So we actually had a gingerbread swap, and I shared my swap that I sent to Sherry Jones. I shared that with you guys, and I did not know she was actually going to send me a package. So I'm super excited because she's an amazing crafter. Evelyn, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Guys, I got this swap. Today actually is December the 24th, and I'm taking a little time out. Everything actually is done. The 24th is always our family Christmas party. So, but it's until later tonight. And I got this package. I want to say I got it yesterday. What was yesterday? Thursday. I think I got it yesterday, if not the day before. But so I knew I'd have to steal a little bit of time to share with you guys what she sent me. I'm so excited, guys. So I'm going to move some of this aside so that I can show you everything she sent. So first of all, let me show you this tag. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my goodness, how pretty is this, guys? Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at this tag. That is so pretty. It's got a big old rose down here at the bottom. It's got some eyelash trim, some, I don't know if it's iridescent. It's not iridescent. It is just like a clear or like white. She's got some white leaves here at the bottom. And look at this cute little gingerbread, guys. He is a little shaker. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. That is just too darn cute. And then she's got the spatula, or is this a snow shovel? Maybe a snow shovel. Either way, she's got this utensil or tool here. I think we can do we can name it whatever we want. It's a spatula. And then at the bottom she used a heart doily. And look at this, it's got a little gingerbread recipe under the gingerbread itself. How cute! Look at that. And then she's got a heart, and she's got all these little bits glued down to the heart, and this pretty iridescent, silver iridescent paper. That is so pretty. And then she glued some more of the sequins up here. She's got this tiny little candy canes in here. Oh my goodness, those are so cute. And then she used some stars, and it says warm winter wishes at the bottom. And she's got this really pretty music sheet paper in the back that is textured. She's got a pretty bow here on the top, along with a rose in the center that looks like it may have glitter, and then the tying element. That is so pretty. Made with love, Evelyn Valencia 2021. That is so pretty. You know what, guys? For 2022, I have decided to adopt the gingerbread for next Christmas. So I'm going to do gingerbread throughout the year, and I'll bring you along and show you what I'm making, and hopefully it'll all come together when I decorate for next year. But this is so adorable. I just love it. You know what? This can actually go on my tree because it, you know, like I said, it's going to be gingerbread. So I may save this tag for my tree. Beautiful, beautiful tag. And then she sent some rosettes, and they have the little gingerbread cookie right in the center. Let me open this. That is so cute. She ruffled some crepe paper. She put some rickrack in the center, and then she layered a couple of snowflakes there, and the tiny little gingerbread. How cute is that? How adorable is this gingerbread? Oh my goodness. And again, I may be able to put this on my tree next year. Actually, I'm gonna put it on my tree today. As soon as I finish with this video, I'm gonna put this on my tree so that they can, because I don't have any gingerbreads on my tree, but it is traditional red and whatnot. So thank you, Evelyn. I could even actually put it on a package, not this year, but put it on a package as a bow instead of an actual bow. How cute. And then she's glued glitter all around, and that rosette is, the glitter makes it look really thick. And then she's got a layer of tulle under the little gingerbread. That is so adorable. Thank you so much. She may have used like Wink of Stella or something like that, because the entire gingerbread is glittery. That is so cute. That is adorable. Thank you. And then right here, look at this paper, guys. That paper is textured. That is so cool. It's a music sheet, or music, and it says Merry and Bright. She's got another little rosette here, and a snowflake, a gold snowflake on the front. She's got maybe a button, and then a bling piece right in the center. And then she's got your traditional rosette fold right here at the bottom. That's so cute. And then look at these gingerbreads, guys. I know she had to have colored those faces in. I know she had to have. How cute are these? So she's got a scallop at the bottom. It looks like maybe it's a snowflake on top of that, and then the gingerbread cookie on top of that. This one has the bow on the top, so this one's the little girl, and it says Believe. It's got the little tie element right here with a little bow. That's so pretty. And then this one has to be the little boy. He's got his little curlies right there, and she may have used some of that slick paint, and she did the faux stitching around the face. His little bow is at the bottom. Look at those rosy cheeks. Oh my gosh, that is so adorable. Yeah, I'm gonna put these on my tree today. So adorable. Thank you so much, Evelyn. I love them. And yeah, maybe I'll make some of these for my tree next year. Who knows? My face won't look like that because yeah, I can't draw, but hey, we'll see how they turn out. Thank you. That is so pretty. But look at this, guys. Oh, let me take this out of the bag. Look at this gingerbread ornament, guys. She's gonna go right in the front. How cute. I didn't think about making a, felt ornament. Oh, this is such a great idea. It looks like she may have made her wreath. She's got some eyelash trim. There's some glitter around there. Pretty little bow, red bow. She's got this gorgeous little skirt, and she has a bow that is tied around her waist. And look at this, guys. She did her sewing through and through. Look at that. She sewed everything all the way around. So super cute. Stinking cute. Oh my gosh, Evelyn, you did an amazing job. I just love this. So cute. And look, she even has a little necklace. She's got green eyes, her rosy cheeks, and a little bow on her hair. Oh my gosh, yeah. I'm gonna, whoops, this came off. Oh, it goes right here. I am going to put her on my tree as soon as I finish the video. How stinking cute. Beautiful. Thank you, Evelyn. Beautiful. And then she's got 2 packages. So I'm going to open the little one. This is a very pretty bag. You know, I didn't get any bags this year, I don't think. So she's got it tied with this pretty looks like seam binding. So she punched 2 holes in there, folded it down, and tied it with a little piece of ribbon. And in this little box, oh, look at the little gnomes. How cute. Girl gnomes. Well, that one's a girl gnome. This one's a boy gnome. Super cute. And in this bag, oh, how pretty. She has included some sequin. And look at this, guys. These are little reindeers. How cute. Oh, look at the tops. How adorable. These are little buttons. And then she has filled them in with glitter. She's cut a little peppermint striped paper for the background. That's so cute. So let me show you the little reindeer, guys. That is so cute. Look at the little reindeer. How pretty. How cute are those? Oh my goodness. Thank you, Evelyn. Of course, I don't have any of these. So super cute, and I just love how you decorated the container. And this one has candy canes. Silver and red candy canes. How pretty. Love that. Evelyn, thank you so much for sharing with me. I really appreciate that because I don't have either of the two. Thank you. Guys, isn't that cute? That is so cute. I just love that. Okay, so she also sent, oh, this is wrapping paper. How cool. I'm going to try to save this. So she did use the seam binding for her perfect bow because I know I can't get them to look like that. And I'm going to save this as well. How pretty is this paper? It's got a really nice feel to it. All right, guys, I was able to salvage most of it. So isn't this pretty? Can you guys pick up the texture that it has? Like a leather texture. That is so pretty. Okay, so I will have to say that carefully. And then in that package, oh my gosh, I don't have any of this. I have little pieces that people have sent me, but I didn't have any of this. Oh, thank you. It is I was gonna say peppermint twine because that's what it looks like to me, but it's white and red twine. So super pretty. And look at that big old spool. Thank you, Evelyn. And then she sent a cling stamp. How cute are these gloves? So pretty. Thank you. I don't think I have any gloves. So super cute. I can make these, I can make some tags out of those. So pretty. Thank you, Evelyn. Yes, very pretty. And then she sent a paper pad by Recollections. It says Christmas, double-sided. And look, I just love the red truck. You guys know that. It says Say Freeze. I guess it's the name of the paper collection. So I'm gonna do a flip through really quick because I actually didn't get to shop for any paper this year. No paper. I did get a digital collection and that was it. But I didn't shop for any paper this year. So this is new to me. You know what, guys? I don't even know if I'm in frame. Yeah, it looks like I am. Okay. So this is so pretty. Oh, it's got all the numbers for 1 through 25. So pretty. And it's got 2. And there's the back of that one. Really pretty. And I love this one. It's got 2 of each. Poinsettias. Really like that too. Oh, let me show it this way. Oh, look, the trucks. And these are borders. And that beautiful plaid red snowflakes. There's the back of that one. All the little berries. And this one has some cut parts. There's a green, red, and white plaid. Some more trucks. Poinsettias. Oh, that's cute. Little snowmen. That's cool. Oh, I like that. And there's the back of that. So super pretty. I like it very, very much. Evelyn, thank you so much. I did not expect it. I really didn't. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Merry Christmas to you and your wonderful family. Everyone else, thank you so much for watching. Merry Christmas, and we will talk to you later. Thanks a lot, guys.